What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Be honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with more Dollar Tree DIY projects. We're going to tie a few different projects into one video. We're going to do a wreath, just some decor for my buffet table. We're going to spray paint a couple items. So yeah, y'all know what to do. Say hey T in the comment section and let's go. First, I'm going to start by hot gluing my two bowls together, bottom to bottom. And then once the hot glue dries, I'm going to take a few items outside to spray paint. Some of you may disagree with this, but a lot of the items that I'm going to use for my buffet table, I'm going to spray paint them black, not all, but some. And I'm doing that because one, black is my favorite color. Two, that's the color in my home. And three, again, it's my favorite color. I know Easter has more of the pastels, but this is the color that I'm choosing. That's going to match with the decor and the rest of my home. So you can choose to leave yours as is, or you can choose a different color to spray paint yours. But I'm just going to show you how I'm going to design my buffet table. Okay, it's starting to dry already, so we're going to set that to the side. And I believe we are ready to spray paint. So I'm going to spray paint these two bowls. I'm indecisive about if I want to spray paint the rope or spray paint the glass, but I think I'm going to spray paint the glass. So these are the items that we're going to spray paint. Before I head outside to spray paint, I also have these eggs. I have this large egg and the smaller ones. I think I'm going to spray paint them. I think I'm going to spray paint these black too. I do. I was going to do like half of each egg and then leave the other half gold, but I want to do them all black. So I'm going to take these outside. All right, sweeties, we are outside, and I got this matte black paint from Amazon. So that's what I'm going to use for my Dollar Tree items here. So I got little gloves on. It's a chilly, rainy day here in Pittsburgh. So with the egg, I think I'm going to leave it like with the gold streaks still showing. Look at blackish, goldish look. I kind of like it like that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to leave that like that and do the same with the smaller eggs. Okay, now we're going to do our $3 glass. Alright, sweeties, so all of my items are spray painted. And I'm going to work on another project while the stuff dries. Alright, sweeties, we are back inside, and now it's time to start our wreath. I have this wreath that I used years ago, so I'm going to recycle it and use it for this project. I tried to get the hot glue off this wreath as best as I could, but some of it's gonna be stuck on there. So I hope it don't make you cringe or like drive you insane. It's gonna drive me a little crazy, but it's okay. So you're gonna need 2 packs of eggs from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and use some tulle just for a little bit of coverage. I'll never plug it back in. So while I'm waiting for my hot glue to heat up, I have this garland from Dollar Tree. It was $3. And here's another DIY for you. Get about 2 or 3 of the garlands and you can wrap them around a wreath, and that's a very simple project for you as well. Nice little wreath for less than $10. Let's wrap this tool around. All right, so my wreath is completely wrapped with the tool. I'm gonna snip that and just hot glue it to the back. Starting with your yellow egg in the middle, you're going to go around and glue 2 at the top, 2 on the sides, and 2 at the bottom to create your flower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 at the bottom. All right, sweeties, so I decided that I'm going to use some of my garland. So I got my zip ties. Now I'm just going to glue on my flowers to my wreath. Let's glue green, pink, purple on this side. Let's do orange, and let's do blue. And then we'll fill in the rest with our garland. Let's connect the glue so it's all connected together. You can glue your eggs to each other between the colors if you want to. So I'm gluing my side eggs and the yellow so that it's all stuck together. So I laid my garland at the bottom of my wreath. I'm going to use my zip ties to secure it down. All right, sweeties, here's my finished wreath. I went ahead and wrapped the rest of my garland at the top around my flowers because it was just a little too spacious and empty for me. So I hope you like the finished product. If you want to complete the flowers all the way around your wreath, I suggest that you get 3 bags of those eggs, or you can go ahead and get this $3 garland from the Dollar Tree Plus section. But here's my wreath. All right, sweeties, I'm going to start with another decor piece for my buffet table. I have the jar that I spray painted, the $3 jar, $1.25 candle, wooden bunnies, and I have this cotton rope that I'm going to wrap around the bottom. Now that my rope is glued on, I'm going to take my wooden bunnies, add a little hot glue to the back, and glue them around my jar. Just like so. This is such a cute project. You can also use a Bath and Body Works candle or any type of candle you would want to use. Alright, sweeties, so I was able to fit all of my bunnies perfectly around the $3 glass jar at Dollar Tree, so they're going all the way around. Okay, so you only need 1 pack of those. Take your candle, place it inside, and this project is done. Quick and easy. If you're enjoying this content, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when I post more videos. Alright, sweeties, it's time for my final project. So I have my 2 bowls that I spray painted, and I don't know if you remember from my other DIY project, but I have this leftover floral foam that I'm going to hot glue in the bottom of my bowl. You can separate your flowers if you want to, or you can do it the lazy way like what I'm going to do and just bend your branches and stick them inside the foam and inside the bowl. I'm going to wrap this rope to match the other DIY with the candle, and again, you can cut the stems if you want to, or you can be a little lazy like me and just simply bend them and then just stick them right in, just like so, and continue going around. You can always bend and move the flowers as needed. Alright, sweeties, I'm done for now. I'm done with my buffet table. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified when I post my next video. Also, I still have to make the kids some type of Easter basket, so stay tuned for those videos as well. That's why you need to hit that bell so you're notified when I post more videos. Let me know in the comments what you guys think so far. Thank y'all for tuning into Lifeasteeelle. I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. The sweetest.